How are you viewers? I hope you are fine viewers. Today I will discuss with you static electricity. Static Static electricity is an imbalance of electric charge within or on the surface of a material or between materials. The charge remains until it is able to move away by means of an electric current of electric discharge. Static electricity is the result of an imbalance between negative and positive charge in an object. This charge can be built up on the surface of an object until they find a way to be released or discharged. There are three main causes of static electricity: friction, separation, and induction. Friction: as two materials are rubbed together, the electrons associated with the surface atom on each material come into very close proximity with each other. These surface electrons can be moved from one material to another. Static electricity can be seen when a balloon is rubbed against one's hair. For the example, another common example is the show. ये जानबूझ के कर रहा है, रुक जा. One receives after walking across a carpet and then touching a door knob. Lighting is also the result of static electric discharge. Static electricity occurs when two or more bodies come into contact and separate against. This is phenomena between surface. The result in the transfer of the electrons from one atom to another. It's called static because the charges remain in one area rather than moving or flowing to another areas. We see static electricity every day. It can even build up on us. For example, when we rub our feet on the carpet and then zap something, we touch it. Shocked from everyday lightness, a balloon sticking to a wall charged from picking up small pieces of paper. Although static electricity is not a direct threat for human life, an electric shock produced by a static charge can cause a shock, and if we were on a raised area, we could suffer an important lesion because of the fall. Contact static buildup, friction static buildup. Detect 33 problems of static electricity. Risk of static electricity: fires or explosion due to the ignition of flammable or explosion mixture. Production disturbance in the processing of paper, plastic composites, power powder, plastic composites, powder granules, and liquid damage to electron equipment and component from electrostatic discharge (EST). If one object loses electrons, another object must pick them up. There are four methods by which charges can redistribute themselves to build up static electricity: by friction, by conduction, by induction, and by polarization. For uses of static electricity: particle static electricity applications include electrostatic preceptors, photocopiers, printers, and Van de Graaff generators. I hope guys you understand this video and you like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please guys subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much guys.